I am so excited about this. From the first night on, I really do want to marry it. It's like one of the most amazing, life-changing things, truly. I know I'm over the top enthused, but it's such a difference to wake up and not be tired, to have a clear head. I mean, this was the first night, for Pete's sake. I'm really active. I walk at least 2 miles a day. I fly fish. I really like to move. And I've been especially working on that for a couple of months. And that last 10 pounds is just kind of melting away as I get rest. I've used it for a week, I want you to know. Some adjustments can get made along the way if you need them. I will do just anything to make this thing work because it's that good. It makes that much difference in what's going on in my life. When I wake up, nothing hurts on top of everything else. So yeah, the wedding's in November.